Hello, I'm Dr. Richard Cheng in Shanghai, China. I came to Shanghai right before the current coronavirus pneumonia outbreak. The pandemic is still ongoing, unfortunately. The coronavirus pneumonia, or known as NCP, is a deadly disease because the virus causes an overwhelming inflammatory response, which makes our lungs unable to exchange oxygen. This overwhelming inflammatory response, in scientific term, is known as oxidative stress or free radicals. These free radicals cause oxidative injuries to our lungs and other cells. Many of us know that vitamin C is a non-specific antiviral agent and is also a powerful antioxidant. It is also well known that even at very high doses, vitamin C is very safe. So vitamin C has a unique place in fighting against this viral outbreak. I am glad to report that finally IVC, or intravenous vitamin C, is in clinical studies to treat these patients. There are at least 2 IVC trials announced recently. Not only these, we have been also in talk with a few other hospitals about IVC for clinical treatments or clinical studies. This is definitely a positive development for the control of this outbreak and also for the vitamin C movement. I have personally been promoting vitamin C in China for the last 4 to 5 years, particularly recently about 3 weeks ago after the Chinese government made it public that this is a major viral outbreak. I've been calling for the use of IVC, particularly large dose IVC for the treatment of these patients, and also for the oral vitamin C for the mild cases or for the prevention of these patients of this disease. I have got plenty of support from the International Society of Molecular Medicine in this effort, especially from Dr. Andrew Sao, Dr. Thomas Levy, and Dr. Atsuo Yanagisawa, and many other colleagues from ISOM, as well as from other medical experts and authorities here in China. I will stay in ground zero to contribute in this fight against this outbreak and coordinate these efforts. And stay tuned, stay healthy. Thank you until next time. Hello, this is Dr. Richard Cheng reporting to you from Shanghai, China. Today I'm glad to report to you that the third intravenous large dose vitamin C therapy was approved officially today. And there are a total of 3 such clinical trials, at least, that I know of, that were approved in China. And we are also working with several more hospital groups to get vitamin C large dose IV therapy started, either in a clinical study or clinical use directly. We are also working with some hospital groups to try to get oral vitamin C studies going on, particularly for liposome encapsulated vitamin C. But because oral vitamin C can be more rapidly, more widely used, and to a much larger scale, such as the case of this coronavirus outbreak pandemic. And this is of very significant importance, not only for this one, but also for future viral outbreaks. And we are positive that out of these clinical studies, positive and significant results will come out. And we hope the public will know more and more